Hi, my name is Matthew, and this is my Sprint 5 video. And so, in this video, what I'll be doing is showing what I did for this sprint. So, first off with the demo, the big thing that I did for this demo was Facebook authorization. So, when I click on Facebook authorization, it'll go into Facebook, and I've already logged in. So, I'll just say, would you like to? You were previously logged into My Kitchen Facebook. Would you like to continue? Our little pineapple here with our name. So just hit continue and ignore that bottom part. But basically, really didn't work. Nothing really worked on too much this sprint other than that. And I worked on some behind the scenes trying to do one time authorization. It's a lot harder than I thought because um, I have to find the action to call, but I have been storing the logins into async. So the device is storing it, such as the Facebook. The device has it stored in the async that my Facebook was logged in before. Another feature I worked on, just really small, was this recipe screen. What I'm really working on the screen is this modal that the moment you come into recipes, this modal will pop up and it says select your items. And so this is just dummy data I put in here because we're really going to be working on it next sprint. But you can hit search, and what will happen is cards will pop up. Sarah is the one working on the cards. I was just working on the modal. So that's what I worked on this sprint, was just getting those two plus trying to get one time authorization working. I should have it done by next sprint, but that's what I was also working on. So now with GitHub, as you can see, I did check in my code on March 17th, that's Sunday night. And so I named it Sprint 6, I think, because I didn't remember what sprint it was. This is the code I changed, took out this. Um, some package lock.json got changed, package.json. The recipes, I set up the entire screen. First, it was just a bunch of um, different types of font that we were going through, is to see what we'd like better for fonts. But this is really what I worked on. Just getting all this, getting the modal, and then all the styling, and then auth actions, doing Facebook login, um, changing that to just a constant, the dispatching Facebook and taking us to the main inventory page, and then the login forms. Just added a token. That's for all the behind the scenes for async, and then a story.js for async. And then when we go to the Gantt chart, you can see what I worked on this week. I put in 12 hours of work between Facebook authorization bugs. It really took me a long time to get Facebook authorization working. It does say 7 hours because it did take me a couple days to get it working because at first no screen was just popping up. It was just popping up the error, and I was like, I don't know what's happening. And so just trying to get all the bugs. I still have an unpromised handle error, which I should get done by next sprint. That is just something super tedious. I don't know why that's happening, but I'm gonna keep looking into it. And then the one-time authorization, I put 5 hours into it, trying to get the async stuff to work. One-time authorization is a lot harder than I thought it would be. I thought it would take me only 3 hours to do, but I was very wrong. It's taken a lot of time. The only reason Facebook auth bugs took more time is because I have to work between the Facebook developers page, and then I checked if the Firebase would be easier to use with the Facebook developers page, and it was just a mess. But I finally got those things working. As you can see, one time auth, 80% done. Gonna continue into that next sprint as well. Next sprint, what I'm focusing on is user created items table. That's basically Firebase touch up, as you can see, and then finish recipes modal with search. So basically, what I want to finish is the picker will have all the different items in the list. Still figuring out how we want that to look. But right now we have it just as a picker, and then when you hit search, it will send it to the API, and the API will return the items. So that is what I'm working on for next sprint. Thank you.